After 5 months, we family for that side, so for inside the Bombari find their woman picking, their girl picking. Last, they don't meet up their body for this girl picking now for inside some hole for some house where they build them. Now for the Bombari side, where this one pass, this afternoon we go take una enter for the Bombari village for Douala here for tell una as well this family it take find their picking it die body now for inside some septic pit for some house where they build them. Tori too for this afternoon country people them we go take una enter for Bona Dibong na quarter for inside Douala here. More than 100 people them just now they don't the check sense outside they go sleep this evening time after way some caterpillar e enter for that quarter e chakada plenty people them house as we Tori enter we here wanna go see that one too and we hear wait people them too they broke them they talk for we. Tori for this afternoon, we go enter for inside place where they call them to say a Yawende for that side. Now fire where it burn some peanut place for side where they call them say Damas. When they hear Satan where army rescue people then say they come for can lost fire. Country people them for inside Damas, the vex. They talk say they don't come late after where the peanut place. He don't burn all. Updates for chapter for Corona for we country and even for the whole world. Latest today, we go talk for now, but Sabi Seb say 10 school picking them and 9 teacher for inside government nursery school for Bonamusadi. They don't get Corona and since Monday, school it never open. Na so too Oga D.O. from Banga for Mongo division where they call it 10 for Christian it today outside today e be then a gate man for CC school picking them they put masks and they wash their hands as well they enter for school. The worker for DO for Banga we go bring them for now this afternoon. Case for loss too we get and we go bring to even case con the people them for newspaper them if time 11 week. Big people them talk this afternoon in the tell we say person where you know the talk it means say mumu and person where you know the see they no fit ever talk better talk. I say person where you know the talk and person where you know the see they no fit ever she done they talk better talk. Big part talk e comot na for Pa Amos Ngang where it she done for Nyasoso town. Country peoples where they turn back small time with plenty of the Tori there. Country with the here as we Tori the enter for we here for that side so for Kumbu Buit division for Northwest say they don't burn post office for Abui for that side so for Tobin as we Tori the enter we here say they burn the post office inside this night breaking today as we Tori he enter we here for side for Bui division post office where they don't put fire for day and Sabi say this one in the come na time where they so governor for Japan he don't give 1.5 billion for country for support the build back Southwest and Northwest. Sabi say na minister prime minister Chief Dr. Joseph Diongute and our minister Alamin Usman May with the sign book with ambassador for Japan for take that 1.5 billion when na for use am for staff fix Southwest and Northwest. We yes say that 1.5 billion in the enter na for water and even health for people them for Fako division as we Tori enter for inside we here. We go turn back for that chapter as we dey go. Tori for this afternoon, we go start now for the Bombari side, country people them. More than 5 moon exactly, where family people them for Ndale Francois, they be find their pikin. Now after 5 moon, where they come discover say they don't kill their pikin, throw am inside some septic pit for that side so for some house where they see build them. Now for the Bombari side as we Tori enter for we here where this arraignment it happen. Sabi say the man where they suspect say na he he get hand for this woman where they don't kill am. Now the person where them two they be the she done and for the time where they be the ask the question he no be don't talk so till last family he can't discover side where their pikin day inside that hole 5 moon after una go understand say after 5 moon automatic they no go fit for comot thy body for sick as say after 5 moon thy body be don rot ten all inside that water. So the people they only come na for come comot the bone them for this girl wey e don die. They kill am, then throw am inside that septic pit for that side. So for the bone body as we tori enter for we ear just now, man pikin e dey with the gendarme people them for that side. So for the bone body, the man pikin wey dey suspect say na e get hand for this die, e dey for back counter. So the family only come comot na the bone them for their girl pikin wey they call am say Ndale Francois, wey na man e kill am, then e throw am for inside septic pit. After wey they finish comot all the bone them, they just put some cut and nail am coffin at least for talk say they don bury that woman wey e get 3 pikin them as we tori enter for we ear. So na for inside that incomplete house where this man e kill that woman Ndale Francois, e throw am. Now one of the pikin that for Ndale Francois wey dey cry, e mami sabi say one time wey they comot that bone them for this woman wey the family e be don define am plenty time. Na 6 feet wey they go put am for give am say true they don bury am. But as we talk na 5 moon wey this family e don define their pikin wey they accuse and they point finger for a massa the boy wey them two dey she done say na he do the work. So Ndale Francois with wey he die for some kind of a way they don last put it for 6 feet, but na only bones them where the family e go see am for inside that septic place where una see am where they go come up for dig the bone them. So they don't bury am just now for inside place where they call am say burial ground for inside the bone body na for inside littoral region here. And the man pikin where they suspect say na he do the work, e dey for back counter for gendarme office or the bone body wey dey hear just now say na 3 pikin them as we talk where they go sit down mourn and continue for cry their mommy as well last they meet up their mommy. Na only bone them wey comot for inside that septic place when na the place that where this man pikin e kill am, e throw am for inside country people them. Plenty thank you Boris for the work we do and for we for side for the Bombari this afternoon. We go come out the Bombari just now, we enter for Bonadibong. Now for inside Douala country people them for Bonadibong. Now people them cargo them that way they dey for outside. As well they talk just now, sabi say the cargo them, they say na some man e don can chakara their house, he move all them for outside. When the hear say case for this land, e be there for court, and court e be don talk say no, say e dey so Nangom Nailand, and as soon Nangom Nailand, make the people them continue for Shidon for day. Now 6 o'clock today Friday, where the people them wake up, they only want see where Caterpillar, e don't finish chakara plenty people them house. So plenty of them, they get not only their cargo them, they don't even sabi side where they go sleep this evening time. For sick I say the chakara happen with them. They no even sabi for that side. So for Bonadibong, where the ESF say they be even throw tear gas, and some of the tear gas, he get caught for some woman them, he get caught for some one mommy where he too the chakara house. More than 100 people them as we to read the enter we here with them too. They don't start for check sense. Place where they don't shit down for more than 20 years for some now more than even 50 years where they don't shit down on top the land. Only for wake up this morning time, one person he claim for talk say the whole land na he own, and na say wetin he don't go take order say na governor he give the order say me they can't chakara them, and governor too maybe he go live for talk on top this chapter. They say na governor he give order for that man say make he can't chakara the people them. Who say all the people them they go sleep? Now the big question that we to the ask, and even the man where he get mind for chakara plenty people them. So so the talk for the bone for Bonadibong quarter for inside Douala here. As they say, he be put microphone for one of the mommy them. He try for tell we waiting it happen.
My brother, I don't know. They don't bomb me for year. I don't know to say the one for we. Now I put this where they don't take guys that motion. They don't block my food with it. I know the worker. I don't know. They don't come for 6 o'clock. Now for 6 o'clock they don't wake up we. I see that so police. I want to ask you. I hear that so guys that people say beep. I want run. They don't blow my food with it. I know the worker. So I don't know how I do. I don't know how I will make up. I don't know my brother. I don't know play where to go with picking them. Now for you, my papa don't die for you. We don't make 70 ans. My mama too don't die. We don't make 80 ans. Me say I go now for 55 ans. They don't come blue with me today. I don't know where we go. I don't know.
Now, mommy, that way the talk with the Ash say we go turn back for that mommy, but sabi say another person where we eye catchy, way they so it too no good sabi place for sleep today. Now this power way pass have no defeat for work away the worker now it is stick them. Part two, if you don't make it small or cut a nail and for inside quarter for bona the bong, but just now they don't come broke pa, it can go the day outside. They hold today, who side them go sleep? Pa with this kind of condition, now just the thing that will they try for us every day palava for land, the same land. Where we go for die, we leave them for back. Where they go put you for inside. Now the same land where they give different people them trouble. On top, for sake I say you claim in a land, you don't make plenty people them. Just now, wait for she done, it no day for them. Mommy too, wanna just hear where he talk, he continue for tell we whether they be even give them notice for come out. Mommy, how the team be pass?
They never talk no nothing. They talk say na gouverneur. Na gouverneur don't talk say they come blue we. We talk say how gouverneur if talk say they come blue we. One time so. When he say maybe call procureur. When maybe call procureur. We say
you don't give una sommation we get paid.
Papa, we will get problem for this place. Say my mommy wonder where we get problem, but they don't fish problem because they say we don't go for Yaoundé. Minister don't arrêter. Minister don't talk say that titre foncier where that man get an full titre foncier. He don't annulate the titre foncier. We get that titre foncier. Any man, any house where they block and he get his own titre foncier where minister will give him. Minister Aïssi Eyebe. Now he be giving down. He don't annulate that titre foncier for Saya. Say we she don't say na governor. That means we no get problem for here. But
there's a side the blue can so say na land.
Yes. Well, you papa be background for your papa before he die. Now that money where they don't give, where he don't go school with you, sote.
Yes, you don't hear wait to mommy talk for the concerning the land. Say Minister Henry Yebe Aïssi. If you don't talk, say me they no worry them on top that land. But just now, that mommy them all their work where they don't work, sweat, it don't join losses. As so plenty of them, they no go get place or sleep this evening time. We go turn back for day inside the week. Now some two boy them this where gendarme people them for Brigade Terre for that side so for Bonanjo they catch them. With the yesterday two boy them now them the attack people them inside taxi for night when it don't reach 12 o'clock so take for morning time. Now their motor that way they use them for thief people them inside Douala here and with the yesterday now gendarme people them for Brigade Terre for inside Bonanjo where they catch this boy them and how they manage catch them the last thing where they do before gendarme people them catch them. Now say they catch some mommy the thief in 99,000. Yes, the thief 90 he get 900 and almost a million. Yes, now small so if I reach a million where it is so the thief 900,000 plus where the thief from this mommy. Then after where they finish thief the money for the mommy, they tie the mommy eye, knock the mommy for inside their motor before they left the mommy for outside. Investigate your people them gendarme for Brigade Terre for inside Bonanjo they do. Now the investigation we make and so say they can catch this two boy them. The one and the other person don't see the way they be showing them two. Now with the gendarme people then say they catch them where they don't the attack people them inside taxi. Particular from 12 sote for morning time when it means say 12 midnight sote for morning time. So they don't catch them and they dey for back counter just now for inside gendarme people them hand now for inside Douala here country people them. We go take una just now. We enter for chapter for fire, inside fire. Now for that side, so for Damas, we'll go take una go. Damas now for inside Yaoundé. Now some quarter name be that. And for that side for Damas as well na the sea. Now some binet place away in the cash fire. Population, you only turn up to in the look. The time when population want start take water or take other thing they say they want go lost fire. As well the fire be the so continue for cash. We hear say police people there they come. They instead deny say me population they know who lost the fire. Say army rescue them the day for road they come. And another excuse where they give and say that pole for light where it turn up for before the binner place. it go fall on top people them. So last, the people there they be even get good heart for fight, say me they lost that fire. They be only turn up the look as well police people them. They be turn up for corner for talk, say make no person in no cross. Sabi say that fire way start from one bine place where we hear say na saloon where it the local woman them be. It continue, it enter for another bine place before last army rescue them for inside Yawende they one come, and before the army rescue say one come as we talk population for Damas vex plenty for sika say they no understand why we fire go the cash, then they call, then they come if she and say even that a pole is start for spark as well the thing it be the cash it the go. So army rescue it come with the binet place it don't burn all, and even the next door too it don't burn for that side. So for Damas now for Yawende where the one it pass as we Tori enter for insights we hear. For Douala here, also go enter for Douala just now. Na some binet place where be cash fire. Na for Bilonge, Entrée Église. Yes, I hope so I don't pronounce and well. Bilonge, Entrée Église. Na for the way they so this other fire system a cash country people them. It be then late yesterday as we Tori enter for inside we here. And according to Tori we enter we here. Army rescue the one come with the binet place them. They be already burn all for that side. So for inside Entrée Bilonge, Entrée Église. Thank you plenty too for that side. Cherostar, where it is so you take time for take with the photo them concerning this fire. We cash for Bilonge, Entrée Église for inside Douala here. We go take una go for West Region, Palava for or before we enter for First Region, West Region side. We talk on top these people the way they catch the way they make fake mimbo them. They copy the same thing way company where they make the mimbo so say they do, then they do now the two people them that where they show with them where they don't make the fake juice them, they sell them for outside. So gendarme people them put hand for them where it they so they catch them right inside their workplace where they make this fake mimbo then. So whiskey, we don't ever the talk say fake one a day, wawa one a day, even wine two wawa one a day. Now, even the sweet drink, where would the drink come? Wawa one today means you get original sweet mimbo when a company says they make them, and the wawa one where the boys them, this kind boys that they make them. So they catch them and they show it for them yesterday. Now for inside country as we Tori enter for we here. Now for West Region, now some wonderful thing where it pass for inside the school for that side. So for West Region for Cameroon country people them where the year say this thing it happen now for place where them call them say for inside place where they call them say Bafusam. Now for that side where they catch some picking. Yes, this picking as we Tori enter for we EM it be one come out for outside gate. Overall big man it deny for that side. So for Babaju now for the way they so they catch the picking one only used by force for Naka the supervisor for inside the school. So they carry they go level for inside the prison for police people them for say me they make investigate on top and for see the kind of cassingo where them go give them for it. Now trouble is there for that side. So for Q3 now for inside Wokaka village now for Southwest Region for Fako just now as soon as they read that book where now Chief Njoke Johnson where he signed the book, Jombe he signed the book. He talks just now the Ogak Pata for on top this chapter where they try for talk say the real person where be chief for that side. So or the quarter eight for inside Q3 now Oga Raymond say Ogachi we don't the tonton for inside quarter say he no be na any quarter eight for that side. So for Awokaka Q3 as we to read the enter for we here. So Chief Njombe he don't talk just now say any person where he deal with Ogachi like the quarter eight for Q3 for Wokaka village. He did do so now for his own trouble. Any problem for that Q3 as well the chief for Wokaka village, Chief Njombe, it says we don't talk. He say now Oga Raymond, he be the real chief. So all thing we concern Q3 for inside Wokaka village. Now Oga Raymond says he be the man with the get for go meet up they talk so that trouble it no go be. So now book that where Chief Njombe says we now be the overall chief for Wokaka village. He don't sign for bring order inside a village. Just now, we go enter for chapter for corona for inside the whole world, according to the latest number them wey they give we for John Hopkins University. The latest corona number them, as we go enter. We the enter for corona, we take una enter for this corona number themselves, we will get them according to the latest way John Hopkins University give them for we. As of for the number 19 day for February, we na today, John Hopkins University they tell for we 110,325,628 na to that case that for corona sick people them inside the whole world. 62,127,222 people they don't well, and 2,441,917 people that don't die since we corona it enter inside the whole world, according to the latest number them where John Hopkins University he give them for we. For inside Cameroon, the latest number them where Dr. Manauda Malashi Kargiam for a Twitter na say as of since we corona enter for we country na 33,749 people them where they don't test them with the corona sick, 31,362 people them don't well, and 523 people them don't already die. As well, the talk just now, we get 2,200 people there the day on top of hospital beds for Sika corona for we country, and 38 people that they use oxygen. 5% the day on top of hospital beds, and you go see say the percentage for people there they don't well na 93%. As we minister Dr. Manauda Malashi he talk as way the number we give on Thursday, and another thing we don't jump, if you turn back for the other thing, minister Sesep he don't the one people them Manadin if you enter for the other side. Minister is the one, minister don't the one. We get other photo for the winner. Minister Sesepa is the one people them just now concerning this corona sick country people them. As we don't the look inside that number, if you get the photo we minister the one concerning this sick, yes. Now the photo that we minister the one just now is the one the whole country. Say make all man he concentrate for that 13 commander them we head boy for country he begin for sick say the way with the corona he don't come again for some kind of way. So Dr. Manauda Malashi he the one when he come outside, remember all the 13 commander them we country he begin concerning this sick. Now, as well talk for now, government nursery school Bonamusadi. 1 week, now today go make a 1 week with the school, it never open. 9 teacher them and 10 picking them, yes, if I know change the number them. They don't get corona, and since government nursery school Bonamusadi it don't lock, no picking in no day school with the year say the one after we they test some picking them and teacher them with this corona sick. And as soon as we hear say even some mommy they be this also continue for carry their picking them can school, they never give them no information concerning the thing where don't pass. Now only after where they hear this picking to go school this morning time, you know see it come be them, he say once he come be them, mommy too we don't talk say even if now waiting something they happen for school, they be even get for call mommy them talk for them say nothing this way they happen. No be na say they go just shit down for house, then they hear say nothing that way they happen. Say if na say school no day again, or they want talk say school no go day again, may they give them back their money as well the mommy picking in the talk where don't go for school for go find a picking or go take picking go school no day open. And according to where they delegate for primary school book for inside littoral region, a talk for we ESSM use him up for tell we say na for sick as say some school picking them and teacher them they be test them positive for corona sick. Now why that way they lock government nursery school for that side for Bonamusadi, and he don't talk say if school get for start on Monday, then the expect say it is so all they picking them, yes, all picking them and teacher them they get for come with test for show say they no get corona. Now if some people they be don't make their test for the past 2 weeks, they never forget them. Now only 1 week where they picking them too, they go do test before they start school on Monday where they ask now only a question. Now we go take una enter from Bangatu for Mongo division, as so don't talk this afternoon. The divisional officer from Banga, from Mongo Division, he don't start back again. He don't come back, na new DO. He don't talk, say no. He don't see, I'm say plenty picking them. They don't disrespect this wearing for marks for enter school. So, DO2 will be then a gate man today for that side. So, for government bilingual school, Mbanga, for Mongo Division. Now, for say waiting, he says one see the picking the way they come school, where they know the wear face masks, or the picking the way they come where they know wear face masks first. As we to re-enter for we hear D.O. Christian, he drive them, say, may they turn back for house. For Sika waiting, for Sika say they don't disobey governor. He order as we to re-enter for we hear. And Sabi say D.O. he take time, he visit technical school, he visit even the grammar school for governor side for inside Mbanga. He don't talk for the picking them. Say may they look at themselves and may they continue for the respect they commandeer them. When governor he don't give them as we to re-enter for inside we hear. For Sika say time dey plenty, make we just enter for the one. The charge where they be charge picking them, we fit see as where they cash the charge picking them for inside class. They come out Bible for picking their skin, this small Bible them, and they come out even condom them for picking them inside class. Maybe if you get that image, we no go take the interview them. We go surely turn back on Monday. Now the Bible them that where they come out and for this picking them inside their pocket, and the thing where they never feel for understand are waiting the picking that they do out this Bible them inside school for their pocket them, and according to where to enter we hear. All that picking them now them that way they turn up for outside according to the principal for the school. It shows say plenty of the picking the way they hold them so they hold Bible. They never pay school fees. They no be school picking them. They the job wear uniform. They can't enter for class. They say they smoke inside school. They cause problem. They fight plenty. As well the principal he be the talk for divisional officer. So say even sabi say na so the thing they happen until now where they don't go follow up for check say they picking them. True no be na picking them for inside government technical school for that side. So from Banga now some other one that they charge some of the boy picking them pocket. They meet up now a condom them for inside their pocket them where they carry and go school. No ask me where they go do it this one them for school. Now condom them that where they move them for inside picking them pocket for that side. So from Banga for Mongo Division call the people them now for inside we country how we go do as well the thing that they happen. Make we take the announcement them we'll get them so they come out for Tori this afternoon. We take the announcement that for people there they don't lose. We'll get them for inside we house before we come out this afternoon. We get case for people there they don't lose. Two of them we there for inside we news file. We no go fit for a look the other country them concerning this corona and newspaper them. But if we take announcements, people there they don't lose with their family. He define them. We get the announcement them too. If it take them. We start with this mommy where they call him say Zunkeng Martin where it don't lose since now for that side. So for Yawinde so family for Zunkeng the back say any person we don't see this mommy 675-876-641 677-691-43 north. Now number that way if you use them for call them or you take the mommy go for any gendarme or police station where they for corner for side way this mommy you find it they say even dash anyway too. Another case for loss this afternoon country people them where it dey for inside we hand. Now this speaking where they call them Wafo Junior Eve. Now family for Wafo Sesep in the beg say this their pikin he come out for house. Since we come out he never turn back again. So the beg say if you don't see for any side number for before tele 65 north 365 368 677 946 404. Now number them that where if you use them for call or if you take the pikin you go for any police or gendarme office where it dey for corner. They say plenty dash in the wait any person where it fit for see this pikin and that mommy where it don't lose. PG News debate, it come on Saturday, 12:30, 1:30. Country people them, PG News debate, we go turn back for some of the thing them where it be pass inside the week. Country, big thank you for now for outside for the whole week. Ledu Pone, Nadine, and even Malice, all them be there for back machine, for side for C-setting the waka fine. Innocent Abega too. Now be put camera for my before. This afternoon, PG News debate, we go meet up. If Papa God agree, on a hold am tight.